Hello friends, so we're here again and let's pick this for question 2. Uh, question 2 is x squared y double prime minus 3xy single prime plus 4y equals 0. The first step is to the solution for y is going to be in x raised to power m and y prime is differentiating this. You have mx raised by m minus 1 and y double prime equals what? M minus 1 then x raised by m minus 2. Then you can put all this into the equation. We have x squared dot m minus 1 x raised by m minus 2 minus 3x, then y prime is then x raised by m minus 1 plus 4x raised by m equals 0. Then we have this as x raised power, if you combine this and this, x raised by m dot m squared minus m minus, then if you combine this and this, you have x raised by m then dot 3m then plus 4x raised by m equals 0. This will be 0. Then you're left with this, and this. So you have m squared minus m minus 3m plus 4 equals 0. M squared minus 4m plus 4 equals 0. Then you can say, let's split this. M squared minus 2m 2m minus 2m plus 4 equals 0. Then you can separate this. You have m minus 2 minus 2m minus 2 equals 0. m minus 2 equals 0. M equals 2 or m equals 2. So you have double real double roots. And to use this equation, if you recall what we wrote earlier, we have y equals c1 plus c2 ln x, then x raised to power m. Our m is 2, and this will be our general equation. Also, question 3, let's pick this question here. Let's say 5x raised to power 2 y double prime plus 23 xy prime plus 16 plus 2y equals 0. the first thing you do is y equals what? X raised to power m. Then y prime equals what? Mx raised to power m minus 1. Y double prime equals what? M brackets m minus 1. Then x m minus 2. Then you say 5. Then you put all these values into the equation. You have 5x squared. Then y prime prime, you have m minus 1, x m minus 2 plus 23x, and y prime is m x m minus 1, then plus 16.2 x raised by m equals 0. Then you can bring this 5m m minus 1. This will give you x raised by m, then plus 23 m x raised by m plus 16.2 x raised by m equals 0. Then this you have what? 5m squared minus 5m plus 23m plus 16.2 equals 0. You have 5m squared. This plus, minus 5m plus 23 is 18m. Then plus 16.2 equals 0. So you can easily use your calculator here, and you get m equals what? Minus 9 over 5. And also m again is minus 9 over 5. The general equation or general solution would now be y equals c1 plus c2 ln x raised to power minus 9 over 5. So that's it for Euler-Cauchy equation. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, bye.